Yes, there is an activity given here which compares the apparatus shown here with your voice vocal cord. So the picture shown here is a simple one where you have to take two strips of rubber band or to take two strips of rubber and bring them together and blow air into it. You must have done it. This one, if you have not done, then this you must have done. This is simple, you can do it now also. Fold a paper like this and then make a hole in it and then blow air into it like being shown. When you blow air into it, the air will go out through this hole, and the two parts which are shown here, one is here and one is this part, both the parts will vibrate with the help of air and you will hear a sound. So this same thing happens in the vocal cord. When the air passes through the vocal cords, they vibrate and produce sound. This is just an activity. Now we come to the next part of the top of the chapter, that is sound. The sound needs a medium for propagation, which means sound can travel only when there is a medium. That means if there is no medium through which the sound can travel, the sound will not pass, you will not hear the sound. So activity 13.7, there is a glass shown in which a mobile has been kept. There is a glass taken and inside it there is a mobile phone kept, and when you ring the mobile, you will hear the sound, and which shows that the sound can pass through the air because the glass is filled with air. Now here the boy has been shown, he has kept the mobile in the glass and he has covered the glass with his mouth and he is trying to remove air from it by sucking the air. Now when someone rings on the mobile, the sound of the mobile will go dim. Now why does it go dim? Because the boy has removed air from it. When the air goes out from the glass, then the ringing of the mobile will go dim, which shows that sound can travel. Sound is only heard when there is some medium in the mobile. The mobile had air around it, therefore the sound was heard outside. If the air is removed, then we will not hear the sound. We will see that in the next module.